Today we are dealing with a little Mini Cooper. Adorable. It's got moisture issues. It's got squishy carpet. That's probably why you're here. Ew. And it smells bad. What this is, 90% of the time, is your sunroof drain. So first thing you want to do is open your sunroof and just check this passage here to make sure it's not blocked with anything. This one's clean. There's your little drain hole. There you go, that's better. There's your little drain hole. See, what happens is there's a little tube inside here that likes to pop off with age. This is not a real hard job to do. First thing you want to do is just, as you can see here, I took one of the screws out already, but all you're going to need is a couple screwdrivers, flathead, Phillips, maybe a tiny flathead to get this. That pops out. You can be more gentle with yours if you want. Screw. There's two of those, obviously. Bam. Drop that down. You do not have to take the entire headliner out, despite what people tell you. You can just kind of leave it dangle. It ain't going anywhere. And then this side, you want to pop this little guy loose too. Bam. Also a Phillips. Alright, that comes down. Alright, and for this, your little pillar here, which is also your airbag. Pretty easy just to work your screwdriver in right here, in this corner. Kind of pull it over, get your finger in there, and when you pull it, you want to pull that way. Pull towards the dashboard, right towards the speedometer, and it'll pop loose. You can kind of see the airbag up in there. Okay, you don't need to take these things out, you just want them to be loose. Last thing you want to loosen is this little black frame that goes around here. It's really easy to come out. You just pull it. Pull it back there. Just pull it inwards. Pull the front, you'll have these little switches in the front. You'll want to pull that backwards towards the back of the car, and that'll slide right out. Again, you don't have to disconnect that. The wires are plenty strong enough to hold it up. So anyway, if you look, here's your thing. Okay, look right up in there. See this plastic tubey? Right there. It is actually disconnected. Can you see that? I don't know, it's dark. See that rubber tube? And you can see the metal tube that it's actually supposed to be hooked to. And it is not any longer. Now this is the same way on either side, passenger or driver. All you gotta do. Get a little guy. Push it back on there. Ta-da! And now your roof leak is fixed. If you got water on the passenger side, check that side as well. Well, you have to take the samey. Take that visor off. But yeah, there you go. Problem is fixed. What I like to do is take a little, if you don't want it to come off again, because they just pop off randomly. They just feel like it. Just get a little hose clamp, put on there. You're all done. That's pretty much what your leak comes from. One thing to remember when you're putting it back together, when you're popping this in, make sure it goes inside of the rubber seal, not over it. Or you're gonna see that's over. You want it to go up and under like that, or else you're gonna cause yourself more leaks. This trim piece, when you're putting it back on, these little black tabs all around it go just above the metal there. So remember that, and it'll put back together, and you're all done.